Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy ricotta panna cotta dessert. It only has these few ingredients and makes a lovely light dessert. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely dessert a try and what you think of it. So let me talk you through all the ingredients. We've got gelatin over here. You can use any gelatin you like. I've just got this unflavored gelatin. You can use agar-agar if you want it to be vegetarian, but this is what I'm using. We're also just going to use water to dissolve the gelatin in. I'm using milk. You could use almond milk if you want to instead to make it lower carb. I am using sugar, but you could use stevia if you want it to be sugar-free and low-carb friendly. I'm going to use a bit of vanilla just to give it some lovely vanilla-y flavour. And finally, ricotta. This is a ricotta panna cotta, so we need ricotta. So I'm going to use this whole tub of ricotta in the dessert. So let me show you how to put it all together. So I've measured out 1/3 of a cup of water. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of gelatin. And give it a stir through to help it dissolve. Once you're happy that the gelatin is well combined, you can see it's kind of all mixed in over there. We can set it aside to bloom, grab out a small saucepan and mix all the other ingredients together. Starting with half a cup of milk. Went a bit ahead of myself over there. So we've got a half a cup of milk over there. A 1/4 of a cup of stevia, sugar, your sweetness of choice, a teaspoon of vanilla, and now the whole tub of ricotta. It went in like that. And just kind of give everything a mix through together. And now we're going to pop it on the stove top over medium heat and just warm it through. We don't want it to come up to boil, just to get it all nice and warmed through together. So I've now got the mixture on the stove top. Just kind of keep giving it a stir, keep a close watch on it till it's kind of warmed through. You don't want it to bring it up to boil, just warm it so that everything will mix together lovely with the gelatin. I'm happy that it's warmed through, isn't quite at the bubbling stage yet, so we're going to take it off the heat and whisk in the gelatin. So I've got the mixture off the heat now. Start by giving a little whisk. Okay, now we're going to add in the gelatin. Giving it a bit of time while we've been cooking has allowed it to bloom and all mixed together. So I'm going to pour the gelatin in. And I'll whisk it together. Once you're happy that the gelatin is completely whisked in, just allow it to cool to room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, then you can pour it out into your glasses, your pretty presentation dishes to go into the fridge. So the mixture is at room temperature, so we can just pour it out. You can pour it into individual little glasses. It is up to you. I've got this little pretty presentation glass bowl, whatever you like to call it. I kind of almost fill it, but leave a little room. I like to add some berries at the end. So we're going to have it like that and then allow it to cool completely. We're going to pop it into the fridge, let it set, and I'll show you once it's done. My ricotta panna cotta has actually been in the fridge overnight and it's set up beautifully. Look at that. I can't wait to tuck into it, but you can enjoy it just like that, but I do enjoy it topping mine with loads of berries. So I've just sliced up some strawberries on top as a pretty decoration, and now we'll pop a spoon into it. That is kind of perfect, lovely panna cotta, and with strawberries it just makes a lovely light dessert, just perfect, so easy as you saw. But that is the video for today for how to make this really easy ricotta panna cotta. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this dessert a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.